Brad Williams, XL Prime. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about calc errors. We're going to use the filter function and how and what causes the calc error. Here's the layout. We're going to have a range or a list. We're going to have a filter. We're looking for an error. Keep hitting F9 because I've set up this random between. The anatomy is filter, which is B5. The array or the range will be B5 to D11. Here's your list or range. What are we looking for? All the data associated with Kim. If there's nothing there, then we're not going to get anything. But here it says D2, so that's self-explanatory. Now what happens here? Again, let's just hit F9. You can see how this changes. Now in real application, this won't occur. This is strictly for tutorial reasons. Right up here is pretty straightforward. We're looking for golf score of, in this particular case, Kim. And you're going to see what happened here in terms of dates. And Excel's date function is a nightmare. This is the date, January 1st, 1900. What happens is sometimes in terms of formatting, it changes on its own. Just go up here to date. You see here general, and then we have short date. Hit short date, and it's just going to give us the date. And that's really all we want. And if you want to change that back, you can just hit to the number. Just hit general. I know I'm off topic, but there's an error. This isn't the error we're looking for. This is just maintenance, okay? So just hit short date, and you could see, hit F9, and it changes. Or what's the match? Just go over to Mike, 12/13/2009. As we move along here, we're going to be able to sort this out. So in other words, if you wanted the latest date or ascending or descending, we'll be able to do that. We'll be able to sort this by golf score. But what we're looking for is an error. Well, right now everything seems to be fine. But what happens if you put an X in the filter box? We get a calc error. Hit F9, and again, this is a mechanism. You can use filter for a whole host of things. I just set up this simple list of golfers. Why? I don't know. It was just random, or maybe I was watching a golf match. Maybe because it's a little bit different. We're so used to highs being the best. Well, highs are the worst here. To change this, you can just hit Control Z. That's really the calc error. If you run into other calc errors, well, that's where you start looking. Maybe it's in the filter area. Maybe it's somewhere else. Brad Williams, XL Prime.